In this session, we are going to discuss prevailing scaling agile frameworks. We will talk about Nexus, large-scale Scrum, and detail out one of the most demanding frameworks in the market, which is Scaled Agile Framework. Nexus is an agile framework that is used in scaled agile projects where there are approximately 3 to 9 Scrum development teams, each made up of 5 to 9 members, and there is one common product backlog used by all the teams. The core of Nexus framework is the integration team, which consists of product owner, Scrum Master, and one or more members from each Scrum team. Integration team ensures that all Scrum teams come together to work on a common product backlog and are able to accomplish their work without conflicts. All Scrum teams plan together to create a single sprint backlog. Team names are tagged on the tasks for them to identify their work. Each team conducts their daily stand-up. However, additionally, there is one daily Nexus Scrum meeting, which is more like Scrum of Scrum. A common sprint retrospective meeting is conducted within all Scrum teams at the end of every sprint. Nexus framework is designed to handle a team of about 100 people. However, a new framework called Nexus Plus is introduced to handle teams more than 100 people. It is the responsibility of Nexus integration team to provide all required tools, guidelines, support in order for Scrum teams to accomplish their goals. Now let's talk about large-scale Scrum. Large-scale Scrum, also called LESS, is a scale agile framework that enables you to adopt and implement Scrum at a large scale. There are two types of large-scale Scrum: basic large-scale Scrum and large-scale Scrum Huge. Basic LESS is similar to a single team Scrum and works best for 2 to 8 teams, between 10 to 50 employees. LESS is a scaling Scrum for multiple teams working on same product. These are cross-functional teams that decide which feature to work on based on the strengths across all the teams. LESS promotes continuous integration of features and continuous delivery of shippable products. The product owner is in charge of optimizing the product's value and creates a list of priorities based on the sprint goal before each sprint. A new role called Area Product Owner supports and organizes the overall product owners and is crucial in bridging the gap between commercial needs and technical teams. Now let's discuss about Scale Agile Framework, also called SAFe. Since many organizations are adopting this framework and most of the IT jobs are asking for SAFe knowledge and experience, we plan to deep dive into this framework. This picture might look very complex to you, but don't worry, it is not that complicated to understand. We will discuss this picture in detail. Scale Agile provides multiple configurations: essential, large, solution, portfolio, and full. We plan to take portfolio configuration for our session and explain all concepts mentioned in this picture. We would be elaborating these concepts by taking our imaginary project and applying these concepts to have clear understanding. Let's start with portfolio level. So at portfolio level, the strategic themes are defined. Strategic themes, they are designed to align enterprise strategies to SAFe portfolio. Strategic themes basically suggest what the organization focuses to develop and take to the market. Portfolio stakeholders are majorly accountable for deciding investments and funding the projects. A portfolio may be taking care of multiple programs. Let's go back to our imaginary project and generate our strategic theme. Strategic themes can be defined by a phrase or by using objectives and key results, also called OKR. OKR. So what is objective? Objective is a memorable description of what you want to achieve. They could be short, inspirational, and challenging. Key results. Key results are measurable success criteria that can be used to track progress towards the objective. For each objective, there should be 2 to 5 key results. So the objective of our project would be create a learning and development platform for corporate trainings for organizational employees and sell the subscriptions to the corporates. And the key results could be generate monthly sale of $5,000 in first year, target 5 new corporate customers every month in first year, target a net promoter score of 4 out of 5.